What do opening a door, kicking a football, and pulling a suitcase have in common? Let's find out. Hello, students. I have a challenge for you today. You can see a book and a ball are lying on the table. Can you think of a way to move them without picking them up? Did you say push it or maybe pull it? Great thinking. When we push an object, it moves away from us, and when we pull an object, it comes closer to us. Think about your day. You pull the door to open it. You push the pedals of a bicycle to ride it. You pull the drawer to take something out, and you pull your school bag to pick it up. Guess what? Every time you push or pull something, you apply force. Force is simply pull or push which can move an object. But did you know that force can do many amazing things? Let's find out. Force can make a stationary object move. You can see a football is lying and it's not moving. Suddenly it was pushed. Wow, it started moving. So a force was applied. Hence, force can make stationary objects move. Force can also stop a moving object. You can see a ball is moving with a great speed. Suddenly, a force was applied in opposite direction. And what happened? It stopped. Hence, force can stop a moving object. Force can also change the speed of an object. You can see a boy is riding a bicycle and he's pushing the pedals. So a forward force is applied and it increases the speed. But in the second picture, as you can see that as he pulls the brakes, the speed decreases because a force was applied in opposite direction. Hence, force can increase or decrease the speed of an object. Force can also change the direction of moving objects. In the first example, you can see a ball is rolling and it is rolling in one direction. Suddenly, it was tapped and you can see the direction of the moving ball changed because a force was applied here. In the second example, again, a football is moving in one direction and it was kicked. A force was applied and it went up in the air. So there is a change in the direction. Hence, force can change the direction of moving object. Force can also change the shape and size of an object. So let's see. There's a sheet of paper and if we crumple it, we apply force. You can see the shape changed. There's a clay and when we pressed it, we applied force and the shape changed. So in both these examples, the shape changed when we applied force. But what is happening here? When we inflate a balloon, the shape changes. Why? Because the force is being applied by the air inside the balloon. And when we pull a spring, again, the shape changes because a force was applied. Hence, force can also change the shape and the size of an object. So let's have a quick recap. What are the effects of force? Force makes things move. It can stop moving objects. It changes speed. It changes the direction of moving objects. It can change the shape and the size of the object. Remember, every time when we push or pull something, a force is into an action. So I have a question again. Can you just find 3 examples of force being used in your home today? Keep learning, keep observing, and keep questioning. But do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next science adventure.